guys, it's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns. And y'all thought I was gone and I wasn't gonna come back with another video. I did say I was gonna come back, but it's gonna take me a little time because I have a busy schedule. And now y'all here for me and I'm here for you too. Since I am a loctician, I do have some things I need to tell you that I've seen, and this will basically help you determine whether or not if you are wanting Microlocs or if you are experiencing this. Remember, it's not your fault, it's a journey, and everyone's journey is different. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, before we start, you might as well go ahead and click that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you! Having small locks. Okay, the smaller you go, the longer the reties, and also if you do pass your maintenance time, baby, get ready. You will be, I'm not gonna say bald-headed, but all I can say is that some of your locks might need to be combined because they are weaker. So please stay on time with your maintenance if you have a really small locks. Smaller is not always better. Look at my face. I need you to zoom in. Smaller is not always better. My black ass is combining some of my locks because I have been going past my reties and I've been seeing a difference. Them things is weak up in the edges. Okay, from time to time, there might be something that comes into your life that may cause stress or change. So I'm going to say this now. If it has happened to you, please do not panic. At times, some of the boxes do shift. There are some people that have moving scalp, and there are some people that have stress, and there are some people that may have changes. So at times, I do see that the boxes or the grid or the line itself does shift, and this could be because of stress. Like I said, this can also be because of weight gain or weight loss or moving scalp or pregnancy. So I've seen this, and if this has happened to you, please don't panic. One of the things I want to emphasize a lot is your perimeter. A lot of people forget that the perimeter is the weakest part of your head. If you have started your journey, I just want to say, how is it going? It's going good? Okay. And if you have not started your journey and you want a quick tip that can probably help you within your journey and something that you might have heard before, okay, I'm gonna tell you now. Yes, the perimeter does get a little weaker when the hair gets longer. Why? Because of the weight. You're not really shedding any hair. All the hair is being locked in one whole lock itself. So it gets heavy. Please make those boxes a little bigger. Thank you. Reason being I said that is because I have been combining some of my perimeters and they're much stronger than what they were before. Honey, listen to me, baby. Do you see? Bars. Let me tell you something. I'm pretty sure you done heard it from many people before, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people you've seen walking around the street where they're saluting in the middle of their head. Listen. Please make those boxes a little bigger. If you think you need to combine them, okay? Combine them. Don't be scared. Okay? Thank you. Okay, back to it. If you don't know, yes, you can steam your Microlocs. I have touched many heads and I have helped many heads. I can say there is a difference between sister locks and Microlocs because I've done both, meaning as in retied both. There's a difference in texture. So when I apply steaming to my sister lock clients that have sister locks, before I retie them, I have to make sure I'm saying these words correct. When I add steam to them, the hair is more fluffy and it's not as hard. Just want to put a side note here. the things that I'm saying here is out of the experience of what I am doing. I am a loctician, and I just wanted to say that if you feel offended with anything that I am saying, I do apologize in advance. But I do see there is a difference when the hair is steamed. Now, it depends on the texture itself, but I feel like any afro hair is always soft. Even if you feel like your hair feels like a Brillo pad, okay, we're gonna say that word, a Brillo pad, it is soft. There are things that you can do to make your hair feel fluffy and juicy, and I feel like steaming helps that. And also, if you haven't seen my bag method video a few months ago that I did, that's also a steaming agent too. So please don't come for me. Okay, bye. Next clip. All right, so we all know there is going to be a time where you're going to lose a lock. Okay, it is okay. It is okay. You know how many locks I done lost? Listen, I done cut so much of my hair. I done repaired so much of my hair. It is a journey. If you lose a lock, okay, oh well. Listen, you can always reattach it. Give it to your loctician and tell her, hey ma'am, can you fix this for me, please? If you can't, I understand. But I do not want to be dearly departed with my baby. And if your loctician's like, hey, the lock fell off for a reason, that journey of that lock's life is over and it needs to start anew, hey, that's what it's going to be. If you're losing like 17 locks at the same time, or probably 11 or 15 or 85 or all of them, I don't know what's going on with your journey, but this ain't the type of journey we need to be discovering. So please seek help. Thank you. The last thing I want to say here is, at some point in someone's journey around the world, there will be a few locks that will lose its weakness in between the lock. And if you have experienced this, please do not panic. All you have to do is get a latch hook needle, weave through some human hair, and wrap it or braid it to the areas that is weakened. I have no explanation of how and why it happens. It just does. At times it could be stress, but at the same time it's just a few locks or one lock or several. That's the only way to fix it, or you can always chop it off and just start a new one. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and always turn on your bell notification to get alerts whenever I post a new video. Again, what's up to my OGs? And if you are new, you already know you should have already subscribed. Yeah, I know, I'm watching you. I'm looking at my analytics and I see y'all viewing my stuff and y'all liking my ish, but y'all not subscribing. But other than that, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye!